At the cabinet meeting held today, proposals towards amendment of the 6th schedule were discussed. Chief Minister CONRAD SANGMA, while speaking to reporters, informed that a proposal as to the number of seats in all the 3 district councils of the state had been taken up before the same is recommended to the Government of India. Also, the formation of village councils was also discussed during the cabinet meeting, informed Sangma.
So we had a cabinet meeting for the amendment of the 6th schedule and the proposals that have to be sent from the government of Meghalaya. So as you're aware that most of the areas have been sorted out and the issues have been resolved. The last few pending issues were regarding the number of seats in the councils and regarding the formation of the village councils. In the number of seats, the proposal that the government of Meghalaya has given is that Khasi Hills and Garo Hills shall have not more than 40 members, out of which not more than 4 will be nominated and the rest will be elected through adult suffrage. And for Jayantee Hills will have not more than 32 members, out of which not more than 2 will be nominated and the rest will be elected through adult suffrage. Then in terms of the village council, the members, the cabinet has proposed that we should, that the village councils will be elected, but the chairman will be an ex officio, will be the Shillong, the Sordar or the Nokma will be the de facto chairman of the village council, and the secretary will be elected, and as per the different provisions, the other members also will be elected. But the chairman of every village council will by de facto be the Rangbashnong or the Sordar or the Nokma as per the, or the head/headman. So these are the 2 recommendations which were the last few pending issues that were left. We have proposed it, and this has been done, of course, after thorough consultation and a discussion with all different stakeholders, including the district councils themselves. And these suggestions have come from the district councils, and accordingly the state government has proposed this to the Government of India, and these proposals will go in the next few days.
On the border issue, CONRAD Sangma said that he is hopeful that a final solution to the matter would be arrived at after his meeting with Assam's Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma on Saturday, 29th January 2022 at Guwahati.
We'll also discuss, as I said, we have updated the cabinet on the border issue itself, and we will be meeting the Assam Chief Minister tomorrow evening at about 4:30, 5 o'clock in Guwahati. And we're hopeful that once that meeting is over, we should be able to come to a final conclusion on these first 6 locations that we are trying to resolve.
The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, while speaking on the status of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council (GHADC), informed that a letter to this effect had been received from the council, and as far as the no confidence motion against the CEM is concerned, the Meghalaya Governor Satyapal Malik, as per powers vested in him according to para 36(5), has allowed for a special session to be called.
So in the JTDC, we had received a letter from the chairman as well as from different members regarding the resignation of 9 EMs, and at the same time we'd also got a note for asking for a special session and a no confidence motion against the CEM. And based on those letters that have come in, the matter was referred to the governor. And governor, based on his power under para 36(5), has gone ahead and asked for the special session to be called, where the no confidence motion will be held, and the CEM will have to prove his majority.